and set the tone for today's celebration.
Good afternoon, all. Respected founder of Binayak family, Manoj Kumar Padhi sir, Jivananda Panigrai sir, today's chief guest, Mr. Yudhishthira Devta sir, Academic Advisor Nityanand sir, President Madam, and all the parents and my dear students. Today I stand before you with immense pride and joy as we gather to celebrate the most cherished moment of our academic calendar, the third annual day of Sai Binayak International School Umang 2024. It is truly an honor to welcome each one of you to this auspicious occasion, which marks a milestone in our journey of excellence and togetherness. In this scared and vibrant atmosphere, I am delighted to extend a heartfelt welcome to our Honorable President, our distinguished Chief Guest, inspiring Chief Speaker, our esteemed guest of honor, and respected members of our management. I also warmly welcome the teaching and non-teaching staff who form the backbone of Sai Binayak International School, the media personnel who are here to capture and share the momentous day, and most importantly, my dear students who are the heart and soul of our institution. This is a special day for us as we celebrate the achievement of our students and the hard work of our teachers and staff. We are also honored to have the distinguished guests with us who have kindly agreed to grace the occasion with their presence. We are privileged to have with us today's distinguished personality, a become inspiration and an accomplished educationalist, Mr. Yudhishthira Devta sir, as our chief guest. He is the Director cum Principal of SBD International School, Bhadrak. It is truly an honor to welcome him as the chief guest for this auspicious occasion. His presence graces us with wisdom and opens door to endless possibilities. We are honored to welcome our chief speaker, though very soon our chief speaker sir will reach and join us. Mr. Dr. Kamalakanta Jena sir, who is currently serving as an Assistant Professor of Physics at Bhadrak Autonomous College, Bhadrak, who is a towering figure in the field of education. No words can truly capture the greatness and inspiration he represents. I am confident that the wisdom and insights in his address will serve as a guiding light, helping us navigating a thrive in this era of education with precision and purpose. Next to him, we have the person of moral values, great academic mentor, educationalist, motivator, and person of golden heart, the director of Binayak Residential Higher Secondary School, Mr. Jivananda Panigrai sir. He is the present director of Binayak Residential Higher Secondary School. His knowledge and spirit will surely enthrall all of us. Your presence in this occasion has really inspired us. No country or community can progress without embracing the fundamental values of leadership as an integral part of its identity. Indeed, development, success, and achievement are untenable without a visionary leader. To our great fortune, we have the guiding light of the Binayak family and the Constraint of our foundation, the founder of Binayak family, Mr. Manoj Kumar Padhi sir. He is the former principal of Panchayat Degree College, Barikpur, and currently serving as a lecturer in political science at the same institution. Having him as our great guest of honor is a matter of great pride and immense pleasure for all of us. It is a great pleasure that we extend a warm welcome to the director of our school, Mr. Bhagyadhar Panda sir, as our guest of honor. A person of remarkable punctuality, dedication, and unwavering commitment, Mr. Panda leads with a friendly demeanor and a constant smile that inspires everyone around him. His rational approach to every situation and his steadfast focus on excellence makes him a true role model for all of us. We are honored to have him here today as a guiding force behind the success and growth of Sai Vinayak International School. Next, we have the person of greatness, a face of unceasing smile, a person full of love and affection, the founder of Binayak Degree College, the secretary of Binayak Learning Trust. Very soon, he also will join us, Mr. Pramod Kumar Raut sir. He is a great educationalist, social activist, and a great leader too. He has served as the regional college Rambagh Jajpur as a lecturer in economics. His dynamic spirit, brilliant administration, and vigorous enthusiasm will exemplary forever. We feel proud and extremely honored for having him on the stage. It is with great pleasure and gratitude that with us, the President of Binayak Learning Trust, Mrs. Subhalakshmi Padhi Madam, she embodies a spirit of unwavering enthusiasm, boundless courage, and nurturing motherly love.
Now to our honor, our Chief Speaker sir and Chairman sir have arrived to grace our occasion. We heartily welcome them. Our Chief Speaker, Mr. Kamalakanta Jena sir, and our Chairman, Mr. Pramod Kumar Raut sir, and I requested to take their seats. Please give them a big round of applause.
Next, we have with us a person of profound moral values, a distinguished academic advisor, an inspiring educationalist, a motivator, and a man with golden heart, Mr. Nityananda Jena sir. As the retired principal of the prestigious DAV institution of Odisha, he has left an indelible mark on the field of education. We are truly blessed and privileged to have him as the Chief Academic Advisor of Sai Vinayak International School. His presence as the guest of honor adds immense values to this occasion, and we are grateful for his continued guidance and support. The annual function is a celebration of the hard work and dedication of our students who have put in tremendous effort throughout the year to excel in academics, sports, and arts and various co-curricular activities. It is also a moment to recognize the invaluable contribution of our teachers, staffs, whose unwavering support and guidance have been instrumental in shaping our students. Beyond imparting knowledge, they have nurtured important values and principles, helping to mold our students into responsible, respectful individuals who are ready to become the leaders of tomorrow. The theme of this year annual function, in pursuit of excellence, a journey of learning, perfectly captures the essence of our school's vision and mission. It reflects our commitment to inspire the students to dream big, believe in their abilities, to work diligently to achieve their goal. We firmly believe that every student has the potential to shine and succeed, and we are dedicated to provide them all possible opportunities and support needed to nurture their talent and help them realize their full potential. The annual function is also a time to relax, fun, and enjoy the exceptional performances of our students who have worked hard to prepare a variety of cultural and creative programs for your entertainment. Throughout the evening, you will experience the varieties and vibrancy of our culture, along with the innovation and originality that our students bring on the stage. I am confident that you will be amazed by their talent, enthusiasm, and dedication. In closing, I hope this annual function becomes an unforgettable celebration of the brilliance and spirit of our school community. Once again, a heartfelt and warm welcome to each one of you. Thank you. Have a great evening. Jai Vinayak. Thank you.